Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Shopify Theme Kit. Let's get started. First, go to shopify.com, then click Login right here. Enter in your email in this field, or you may also choose to log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account. This action will lead you to your Shopify dashboard. In here, click on the search bar right up here and type in Theme Access. Click on this app right here, and this will open a new tab leading you to the Shopify App Store. In here, just click on Install right here. Another tab will open redirecting you back to shopify.com, and you will be led to this tab right here. Click on Install right here to continue. And with that, you have successfully installed Shopify Theme Kit. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.